Hello everyone, in today's video I will make a crochet backpack. I use 4.0mm crochet hook and a acrylic yarn. We will do a chain 35 and single crochet second chain from the hook at the back of the chain. Once you made it to the end, chain 1, and chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Single crochet on our first chain and do a single crochet all the way to the end of the row. Once you made it to the end of the row, chain 1 and single crochet on each of the chain. For this pattern, I make a 8 rows of single crochet. Once you made your 8 rows of 8 single crochet rows, we will then chain 1 and single crochet on the side of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and chain 1. And single crochet on the following chains on the side. You can put a stitch marker on our last chain. And once you made it to the corner, don't forget to chain 1 and on the other corner chain 1, and we will meet again to the end. Once we made it to the end, you should have 86 single crochet chains all around. And repeat all this round until you make again another 86 single crochet chains all around. Once you made the height of your backpack, you should have 45 rows of single crochet all around, 45 rows of single crochet, and you need to count 10 chains and then put a stitch marker. And start a single crochet on the side and make a double crochet before the marker, double crochet, and skip the marker and double crochet on the next chain. And single crochet and repeat on the next marker. Once you did all the double crochet on the marker, just continue single crochet all around, and you should make a 5 rows of another 5 rows of single crochet. And you can fold the side of your backpack. And do a double crochet on the side of your last row of the round, and do a double crochet. And single crochet until to the other side of your backpack. Do the same on the side of your backpack. Once you do the other side of the backpack, cut the yarn and hide the ends of your yarn. For the straps of the backpack, we will do a chain 100. We will make a chain 100 for the strap on the whole of the bag. Once you made 100 chain, we will insert this strap, these tiny little straps on in your backpack. For the cover of this bag, I have a tutorial. It's called Garter Stitch Crochet. I put the link above this video, and you can follow that tutorial and make the garter stitch crochet and sew the cover on this bag. You can add a wallet snap. You can buy this wallet snap on the shop or online, and you can attach your wallet snap on the bag. I have a tutorial of how to make a backpack strap I put on the link above this video if you have this bag already, and you can follow the tutorial. If you have any questions on this video, comment down below, and see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching.